Welcome to the Riviera of Dreams. We're here along the coastline near Monaco to explore a property that redefines luxury living, Villa Eleonora. Built in 1904, this is not just a home, it's a celebration of grandeur, history, and modern indulgence. Join me as we walk through its halls, soak in the views, and uncover what makes this estate truly extraordinary. Villa Eleonora sits in the commune of Roquebrune-Cap-Martin, along the French Riviera, just a few minutes' drive from Monaco. The setting is unbeatable. Sweeping Mediterranean sea views, lush gardens, and an 8-acre plot that offers both privacy and proximity to one of the most glamorous regions in the world. The villa's position gives you that iconic Riviera feel, historic elegance combined with modern luxury. It's a vantage point where every window frames a masterpiece of Mediterranean light and sea. Originally constructed in 1904 by architect Hans-Georg Tersling, the same visionary behind Monte Carlo's famed Hotel Metropole, this property stands as a masterwork of Belle Époque architecture. The facade, symmetrical and commanding, features semicircular colonnaded loggias borrowed from French and Italian Renaissance design. Inside, marble, onyx, and granite finishes combined with original paintings and refined detailing to evoke the aristocratic splendor of a bygone era. From grand double-height foyers to Neo-Palladian paneling and precious stone inlays, the craftsmanship is all in. At the same time, the villa has been adapted to modern tastes, offering comfort within a heritage shell. Villa Eleonora spans 3 separate buildings: the primary residence, a secondary modern villa, and a guest lodge. In total, it accommodates up to 27 guests across 14 bedrooms, 13 doubles and 1 single, and 14 bathrooms plus a half bath. In the main villa, you'll find 7 sumptuous bedrooms, each richly appointed, each offering its own unique view or ambiance. The guest lodge offers an autonomous Louis XVI-style retreat. The secondary villa is a near 7,000 square foot modern residence with 6 ensuite bedrooms and an additional bedroom for staff or extra guests. When you walk into the interior, you feel the weight of history, but you also sense all the conveniences of today, from sound systems to home office spaces, gym, spa features, and media rooms. It's a deep and layered experience of luxury. The exterior of the estate is nothing short of spectacular. The centerpiece is an 82 by 39-foot infinity pool with panoramic views over the sea and Monaco's coastline. The pool house is trimmed with mosaic tiles. Then there's the garden, manicured lawns, olive and palm trees, fruit trees, mimosa and pine, all contributing to a private Mediterranean oasis. Recreational amenities include a tennis court that converts into a basketball court, an outdoor gym, sun terraces, and multiple patios for al fresco dining. The 8-acre property gives the sense of a park estate rather than simply a villa. A stay at Villa Eleonora is more than lodging. It's a full-service luxury lifestyle. Every home in the LVH collection comes with dedicated on-site staff, stewards, housekeepers, a field manager. Beyond that, services are available to include private chefs, yacht or private jet charters, chauffeur arrangements, bespoke wellness programs, and access to exclusive establishments and events. The idea is that you arrive and everything is taken care of: your pre-stocking, your welcome ceremony, your unpacking, your spa products, and your discreet butler-style attention. It's a world where luxury is seamless and privacy is protected. Who is this place for? It's for the discerning few who accept nothing less than the best. Families or groups of friends seeking refined elegance, privacy, and depth of experience. Executives hosting exclusive retreats. Think of those who aren't just staying somewhere, they're immersing themselves in a legacy. What sets Villa Eleonora apart is the combination of historic architecture, prime location, expansive grounds, and full-blown amenities. Many villas promise views, but this one delivers views, heritage, scale, and service in one package. Its Belle Époque roots give it character and charm. The modern touches give it comfort and relevance. As the Mediterranean sun begins its descent and the coastline lights begin to glow, Villa Eleonora invites you not just to stay, but to arrive, to experience, to indulge in elegance and ease. If you've been searching for the ultimate Riviera escape, this is it. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed this look inside one of Monaco's most iconic villas, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay tuned for more luxury real estate showcases. Leave a comment below. What part of this villa would you love most? The pool, the gardens, the sea view? We'll see you next time on the Luxury Estate series.